family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Selena Zinchak. In today's video, I will be showing you a method that you can use to increase your hair growth rate, stop your hair from falling out, stop breakage, and keep your hair moisturized. If you would love to see exactly what I'm talking about, then please keep on watching. Our first ingredient is fresh aloe vera. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, and E. Three of these vitamins contribute to cells turnover, promoting healthy cells growth and shining hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. It also increases moisture into your hair. I got my simple fresh aloe vera. Okay, can I talk now? Okay. I got my fresh aloe vera juice here that we are going to be using this. And then I got my caffeine and my secret growth oil here. This is going to be an overnight treatment because as you guys can tell from my hair, it needs that extra moisture. It needs that extra love. It's very tangled up and it's just feeling very dry. Guys, I haven't turned to it for some days now and I had it open. I've been so busy with secrets. But this is time for me to give some extra love to my hair. But I think it needs an overnight treatment for me to bring back the moisture into my hair. Let me know how you do use your fresh aloe vera treatment. Do you just use it as a leave-in conditioner, or you leave it overnight, or you just apply it to your hair, leave it for a few hours and rinse it out? I would love to know down below in the comment section how you use your fresh aloe vera. This is my first time using it as an overnight treatment using the greenhouse effect, because I plan on using the greenhouse effect with this treatment. If you don't know what the greenhouse effect is, it's very simple. You will see it in this video. So let's go and give this hair some extra love. I just got this black band around it. I'm going to take it. My hair is very dry. Ouch. So this is how it's looking. Yes, it's very, very, very dry. So first of all, I'm just going to spray some of this all over it. And then I will part my hair in 4 sections so that it can be easy for me to manage it. So I'm just going to do that quick, and then I will come back for us to continue. Okay, so I did part my hair into 5 sections. I don't get it why some people will say leave type 4 hair. If you leave it, it will grow. You have to be constant with it, because the more you leave it, the more it gets dry, the more it tangles up, and the more it breaks. So you will not be able to retain any length. I just left my hair for less than 8 days, and look at all what I have to go through. Just parting this alone was a task. Anyway, I'm just going to now work on it in smaller sections. Luckily, the fresh aloe vera is already breaking down the tangles, so that's very, very great. I can already feel the extra moisture coming back in my hair just from the little aloe vera juice that I sprayed on it when I was parting it in smaller sections. So if you have very, very dry and brittle hair, try doing a overnight aloe vera treatment and see how well it works for your hair. I'm just trying to break the tangles down. This is why I also love to use my fingers. This is a big knot right here. I need to take my time and unravel it before I cause any breakage. I love my hair, but sometimes it's just a pain. Okay, so this section now feels very, very moisturized. I can now go in and spray some on my roots as well. So I'm just going to part it in smaller sections and make sure I get my roots. I'm now going in with my caffeine and S Secret Scrub Oil, and then just apply it on my roots. After, I will give it a good massage. If you haven't watched my video on massaging your scalp and the benefit of it, I will leave that video down in the description box for you to watch it. Anytime I apply my hair products to my hair, I make sure that I give it a good 30 seconds to 45 second massage, just so the product can better penetrate my scalp and all the vitamins and nutrients from it, I can benefit from it. Okay, baby. Thank you for being quiet.
Mommy, be quiet.
Okay, baby. Thank you for being quiet, okay?
Okay.
Okay. This section feels very, very moisturized now, if this towel can stay on. So I'm just going to put this in a twist, and then I will move to the next section and repeat the same thing all over my entire hair. I know some of you guys will be new to the greenhouse effect, but this is an old method that I used when I stopped using relaxer in May 2016. When I was trying to reverse my alopecia, I did this method a lot. The main purpose of doing the greenhouse effect is to be able to boost your hair growth by encouraging your follicles to open up through the increased blood flow as you sweat. Not only does the greenhouse effect encourage growth, but it can also help to keep your hair moisturized. This method also infuses moisture into your hair strands. Hours later, I'm finally done detangling my whole hair. This is why I do not love to leave my hair open for such a long time or just leave it open as a whole, because it's a lot of work for me to detangle it because of my curl pattern. So thank God I'm done detangling it after so many hours. I'm just going to hold it up in the middle. It is late here now. Luckily, it is already late. So I'm just gonna go take a shower and go to bed. But before doing that, this is the greenhouse effect. That's like, I'm first going to use this shower cap to cover it up. This method is very, very important if you just want to put moisture back into your hair. Not very comfortable when you are sleeping, but it's also not unbearable. You just want to make sure you are trapping enough heat in as necessary. Now that I've gone in with my shower cap, I'm now going in with my good old Walmart bag. So very, very thick, so it also trap a lot of heat in. And I'm just going to throw this over it. Whoa, I can already feel the heat coming out. Okay, so this is how I'm going to sleep tonight. I know it really do not look sexy, but this is the health of my hair. I need to put the moisture back into my hair because my hair felt very dry. But the aloe vera juice and my growth oil really, really did help a lot. It already started to feel very, very soft and very moisturized, so that's great. I'm going to sleep with this, and then tomorrow morning I will come and show you guys how my hair is looking. So this is the next morning. Let's take this down and see how my hair feel. I also just tied this around it so that I couldn't have stuff dripping around my ears and my neck. Wow, that's a lot of heat. Ooh. Let's check this section. So this is how my hair is looking, just with the aloe vera juice, my oil, and the steam from the plastic bags. And my hair feels very, very soft, even down to my roots. Yes, my hair feels very, very moisturized. Very moisturized. This is how I love my hair to feel not all dry and tangled up. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go in with my shampoo. I'm gonna go shampoo my hair, and then I'll also add my deep conditioner to my hair. And then I will deep condition my hair. Now, this is something that I will recommend that you do when you have very, very dry hair, because too much of this can also cause hydro fatigue with your hair. Too much moisture is bad. Dryness, as we know, is bad. So just be careful when you are doing it. If you try to do this once a week on your wash day, that's great. Just don't overdo it. Yeah, so I'm just going to shampoo my hair and then deep condition my hair. I will probably come back and show you guys when I have my deep condition in, and then I will just end the video there. Okay, family, so I'm done applying my deep conditioner to my hair. I'm just going to put my hair in big twist, and then I will sit under my steamer for about 50 minutes, and then I will leave my deep conditioner on for another hour. I love the way my hair feels. It's so great for me to get my hair back moisturized and feeling great and feeling good. Yes, I had a little bit of shedding because of all the tangles, but not something too much. But I am so happy to have my hair back. Let me just show you guys the back. Okay, so if you love this video, do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and let me know if you have tried the greenhouse effect, most especially using an amazing aloe vera plant, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.